I'm standing in front of the chemical tanks at the Trantor Houston Service Center. At this point in the process, your plates have been through a received material inspection report, and they've had an initial pre-wash to remove any of the large foulants and contaminants. Now it's time to put them into the chemical tanks. The concentration of those chemicals is tightly monitored and controlled with a titration process so that we have a precise concentration in the tanks. The tanks are large enough to accommodate even the largest heat exchanger plates. They're heated up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fluid inside is circulated by circulation pumps to help improve the cleaning process. The duration of the soak that we do on your plates and the temperature at which we soak them is a function of the metal that your plates are made of and the fouling that is on them. We'll keep them in there just long enough to make sure that all the foulant is gone before we pull them from the tanks and they're ready for power wash.